To change this tire because it is getting very chapped. As you can see, there's a lot of chaps on it, and it was a bicycle that we bought for my sweetie. How old are you?
7.
7, from Goodwill for about $7.
Once I just learned to use my training wheels.
Yep, once you got out of using training wheels, we got this. So you can see how the tire has got chapped everywhere. It's just time for a new tire, so we're going to do the Bell products, and she wanted a white tire because eventually, what color is this bike going to be?
Pink.
You're going to paint it pink?
Yeah, I will do another Just Be Handy video on that.
You want to do a Just Be Handy video on making it pink?
Yes.
Okay, so what are some of the things we need to do to be able to change this tire? We're going to need to be able to take it off, get the air out of it, and then we'll use some screwdrivers to take the rubber piece off, because once the air is out, it'll come out.
Can we do both wheels?
We'll do both, but first we'll just do the front one, okay?
For the video?
Yeah, for the video. Is that okay?
Air out of the tire.
What was that again? What are you doing?
I'm getting the air out of the tire.
Oh, okay. Keep going at it.
I'm just gonna like stop and go to like.
Keep going until there's no air in the tire.
Oh, is it running?
It's running out. Just keep it pressed. Keep it pressed. Okay. Can we squeeze the rubber? Oh, okay, we're almost there where we can get this off.
Can you hold it?
Yep. Take it out some more. Oh, okay, that's good. Then what we're going to do is loosen up the brakes so we can get the brakes apart. See?
I know.
And then we'll try to take it out. Lip going. You could just take your screwdriver and keep this going around. Don't go too far in, because sometimes you'll hit that inner tube and then it just fights against you. So just keep the tip of the screwdriver going. Could you hold this for me and show that? Okay. So you'll feel the inner tube hit, and then you'll pull back, and it just keeps going. You showing this?
Mhm.
Okay, and that's the one side. Now we could just go to the other side. There we go. There.
Whoa.
And that's all it took.
I didn't know what the inside of it looked like.
Yeah, now we're going to make sure this is on right.
I love helping you, Daddy.
Oh, thank you, baby.
I love being on your videos, too.
Okay, so now you make sure that this rubber piece is covering. You get your new tube, your new tire, and you put that on first. You want to make sure it's in before you try to put your tube on, because it becomes harder to put the tube on put this over the tube. And you should be able to do this with your fingers. There we go. We got the one side. Now we're going to put the inner tube in.
It looks beautiful.
You like the white color?
Yes.
Oh,
I'm so
great.
glad I chose that.
Yeah. So we'll put this on. There's the hole. Kind of feed it in there. Fitting it in. Make sure you don't get it to curl up like that. Just try to get it all in there. Pull this through. There. You don't want it to get tangled. Otherwise, it will not inflate properly in there. It'll be cut off. Okay, and once you have that, then you could start trying to get the other side in. Squeezing and pushing, squeezing and pushing.
Is this in case, do you post this video in case they have and they want to do it?
Yes.
Is that why you post them?
Yes, to help others who want to do this for their daughter or son. And
And
they
the
don't know how to do it.
And the whole world can see it
Oh, yeah.
on TV. Even China.
Even
Yeah.
China. That's where some of these parts are from.
My sister's favorite country is China.
Yeah.
I was about to say her name, but I didn't.
Okay. Okay, as you can see, it's easy to kind of squeeze this and get it going because there's no air in it right now. And again, just keep an eye on that inner tube, that it's not getting twisted as you do this. And then as you get to the end, it's going to get tight again. And that's okay. You just want to make sure the one side is on, the inner tube is pulled. Now for this, you just take your screwdriver and you just kind of help it along. There we go. And it'll make it up. Just make sure you don't pinch the inner tube. You know, just kind of feel for it with your finger before you go put this on. And then get as close to the edge as possible and hold it. And just kind of follow it through. There we go. And as you can see, it just goes right over there. Now we're just going to put air in it. Yep. And it asks for.
Because, Daddy,
Yes.
if there's an air, it'll just plop down and you can't go while you're riding
Yep.
it.
This is asking for 35 psi, and that's what we'll put in there. Now the dirt bike tire that was on there was a 40 to 65, but this will give it a good ride at 35 psi. And
I
that's what
can't
we'll put on.
wait to try my new tires.
Okay, I'm gonna go fill it up with air and then we'll put it on. Okay, so we have the washers on the outside, and then we're going to just first hand tighten it, and then we will torque them down by hand. How's it go? Righty tighty what?
Lefty loosey.
Yep, so we go
Twist.
tight on this, and we do the same thing for this side.
You
Okay.
I can't wait to ride it. Daddy.
So we're tight, and then we do a spin
Ooh, that looks so
test.
much
And it's
fun.
nice and true.
My eyes are just watching it, the white things.
Okay, so what do we do next?
Um,
Hook up the what? The brake?
brake.
Yep, and this has the quick release brake, so we just bring that back in, like that. Some bikes don't have the quick release brake.
But this one does.
Yep.
Can we go riding in this year with Mommy and Dad, you, and go to the park with my sister, like at the
Yeah.
bike trail, and we could all like ride?
Yep. So we're all set with the front, and then
Show
Dad
them,
will
like
do the
spin
rear.
it and then do the brake.
Okay. Tell me when to put the brake
Go.
on. Is that
If
what you
fast,
like?
really stop. Yes. I said if fast, really stop. It stops really fast.
Looks like I have to put a little lubricant on the cable
Maybe.
because it's not snapping all the way.
Oh, it isn't?
Yeah, well, we'll take care of that.
Look at that wheel.
Yep. Okay, is that enough?
Yeah.
You like the way it looks compared to the other
Why
one?
can't we do the other? Oh, right. We're going to.
Okay, so what do you think of it now with it being white tires?
I think it's great.
You think it's great?
They got dirty, but we'll clean them eventually.
Yeah, well, they are white, and you are on asphalt and going out in the dirt.
Daddy has to do the second one 2 times.
Yeah. So you like the new white tires on there? Okay.
It looks so better.
So what do you need to be? Just be?
Handy!
Yep. All right. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you aren't a subscriber, please subscribe. Right?
Bye.
Bye.